Greetings and salutations. I don't actually have anything to say except for pom 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 pom, which is the sound of the pot cover them that I am knocking for what we're just doing at the men's 4x100 meter. You see how beast just nyam up the track? Did you see how the beast just came up in the corner and just nyam up the track on the people them? Look at it. Your hand. Call me. Just come. When you come back, just call me and we can discuss all different. Anyways, it's not that type of vlog. It's not that type of vlog. Every year we have to give them a world record in something. If we don't give them a world record, they are not satisfied. So I don't know if I go find some people with the gymnastics or something like that, cause them bored with the track world record them. So now I have to go give them some other type of trump like world record. I feel like the girl them down at Palais are the best option for the Jamaican gymnastics team. I've seen those girls hang off by their toe point. They are capable of doing this. Congratulations to Team Jamaica for what you have just done. America, that Bailey boy, you're trying to distract me. Every time you come onto the team, I find myself not looking at Team Jamaica, which is where my energies need to be. I am not going to switch. You're not going to lead me astray. Please stop running track and go and pursue a muggling career, because you are leading CARICOM people to follow you around and we don't enjoy it. Additionally, and you can please feature the rest of the man them on the team. Let me see you just a show Blake and Bolt. It was everybody that run that race and got us through. Yes, I know that Blake came through in the pocket, led us on towards victory, and you know that Bolt is like a gazelle or something like that. But everybody that's on the team, let us be fair. Nesta Carter get a Twitter account. I'm trying to tweet and I can't, and it's frustrating me. I'm turning into a hashtag and it's making me very upset. So please, can you do whatever it is you need to do to make yourself relevant? What you're hearing in the background is my food, my dinner. That's a pressure cooker. That is my dinner that is pressuring. Yeah, because I never even, me just like wash off my face and barely put on something to come talk to now, because me in and my clothes same way. Big up yourself, Team Jamaica. Big up to Tommy Lee for the dub play that you have done for Team Jamaica. Conscience, you need to do one now because we need to do something dub specifically for them. Peace and love and blessings. America, you're going to need visas to come in here now. It's what? 4x4. Oh, sorry, I forget about the 4x400 women's third. Me same one always, I cuss out people, you know. But them not talk about woman. Big up to the woman them. Now, Jamaicans, I notice you don't like to trace when we get anything under goal. Look here, a couple years back, I never even know the taste of gold properly. And since everybody's biting the medals, you know what I'm referring to. Why is it? Look how Canada did happy for the little gold till them take it away. By the way, sorry for the brand. Sorry, Canada. It must be hurtful. I'm sorry. I know it hurt. Trinidad get it with a man who want to keep all of it inside of CARICOM. But yeah, when I get the medal, a medal is a medal. Jamaicans don't get poil. We're not going to get gold each and every single time. But I don't want to end on a stern note. This is a time for celebration. Please take it on the road, and when you do, please use a condom, because our economy is right where it is. We can't afford for the spike in the birth rate come April, because all of you were celebrating bareback tonight. Once again, pom pom pom, Team Jamaica one time. We don't need visa for coming Trelawney. Bye bye.